Let's look at some examples of electron configurations. Here's an example of an electron configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p5. You can count the electrons 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36, 38, 48, 53, and find that the element is atomic number 53, or iodine. And then you see that all of the orbitals, except for the last one, are completely full. All of the S's have 2, all of the P's have 6, and all of the D's have 10. That means that this atom is in the ground state. Here is another electron configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4, 4s1. Notice how there is 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So 17 electrons, which corresponds to atomic number 17, or chlorine. And if you look closely, you'll see that 3p only has 4 electrons when it can hold 6. That means that this is an excited state because one of the electrons has been moved from 3p to 4s. Looking at another example: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p2. Let's add up all the electrons. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 2 is 32. And that corresponds to the element germanium, Ge. Since all the S's have 2, P's have 6, and D's have 10, except for the last orbital, we know that this is the ground state. Now let's look at 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d9, 5p4, 6s1. We're going to add up all of those electrons: 2, 2, 6, 2, 6, 2, 10, 6, 2, 9, 4, and 1. The total is 52, which corresponds to tellurium. Now, since 49 and 5p4 are not full orbitals, but we still have 6s1, that means that this configuration is an excited state. Now 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 3s1 has 2, 4, 9, 10 electrons. 10 electrons corresponds to 10 protons in a neutral atom, which is neon. And since the 2p is not full, that means that we have an excited configuration. Make sure you are able to use a chart of the diagonal rule to create a ground state electron configuration, and you are able to use an electron configuration to determine the element as well as whether it is a ground or excited state configuration. It will be very beneficial if you can also write an electron configuration based on where the last electron goes according to the element's position in the periodic table.